guys. So I guess I can officially say welcome to my YouTube channel. Haha. I just wanted to do a lesson for you because you're going to be learning about sample space this week. And I wanted to give you a brief lesson just to kind of show you some examples and explain what it means. So sample space is just a form of probability that shows all the possible outcomes of an event. And I'm going to use an example that you can all relate to, and that would be flipping a coin and rolling a die. So first of all, we know that we use dice and we use coins to determine things like how many spaces that you would move on a game board, or who gets the serve in a volleyball game, or who will receive or kick off in a football game. So all of those things are determined by the use of flipping a coin or rolling a die. So if you were to use both of those things at the same time, then sample space could be used to show all of the possible outcomes of what could potentially be the result of flipping a coin and rolling a die. So I'm going to show you how you could use what is called a tree diagram to display that. So we know that the options would be to either flip and land on heads or to land on tails. So if you were to flip a coin and land on heads and then roll the die, which are two different events going on at the same time, then you could potentially roll and land on a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, or a 6. So that would be how you would show those different outcomes. However, if you were to flip the coin and land on tails, then you could also roll the die and you could get a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, or a 6 with that as well. So all this shows is that there are a total of what we would call 12 different outcomes in this particular set of events. So another way of organizing data to show the different outcomes of events is to organize it on a table. So I'm going to use a different example that we can relate to, and that is color choices for, let's say, a t-shirt that you wanted to purchase and the different sizes that would be available in that type of shirt. So we've all gone shopping. We know that items come in different sizes, colors, styles, and things like that. So we're going to imagine that we have 3 color choices for a certain shirt. They are blue, red, and black. And we're going to say that they come in 3 different sizes, a small, medium, and a large, just to keep it pretty basic. So you can put that information on a table, something like this. And the shirt colors are going to be over here on this side of the table. And then up at the top, we're going to just abbreviate small, medium, and large. And inside the boxes, we're just going to put the color of shirt with the size. So I can get a blue small, a blue medium, or a blue large. I could get a red small. I could get a red medium, a red large. I could get a black small, a black medium, or a black large. And the total amount of options that are available would be 3, 6, and 9 different combinations, or what we would call outcomes for that specific set of events. Okay, so I'm going to show an example of something that we can all relate to right now, since we're all stuck in quarantine and we probably wear a lot of pajama pants and sweatpants and sweatshirts and cozy stuff, right? So I typically will wear a comfortable sweatshirt or t-shirt and some pajama pants, and then I have some cozy fuzzy socks that I wear. So let's pretend that you have 5 different tops, 6 different pajama pants, and 4 different types of cozy socks that you've been rotating in your wardrobe every week. So there is a quick way that you can find the number of outcomes without having to show all of the different combinations. So if you're only supposed to figure out how many different options there are, there's a thing called the fundamental counting principle, which allows you to take all of the different numbers of each event and how many times they can occur, and simply multiply them together, and then that will give you the total number of outcomes that are possible. So if I take my 5 shirts and I multiply that by my 6 pajama pants, and then I multiply that by the 4 different cozy socks that I have to wear, then I would get 30 times 4, which equals 120 different possible outfits that I could be wearing while I'm on quarantine and stuck at home. Okay, guys, so I hope that was helpful. And I just wanted to let you know that I do miss you. I miss being in the classroom. If you have any questions or you just, need to reach out with any kind of concerns, just email me or send me a remind or a message in Canvas and I will get back to you. So miss you, stay safe, and hope to see you soon.